In this video, we will show you how to set up multi-doors interlock in our Titan Vsaxess desktop software. A multi-door interlock system means that when a controller manages multiple doors, only one door can be opened at a time. If one door is opened, all other doors remain locked until the opened door is closed. To implement this function, a door magnet and door status detecting devices must be installed. Additionally, the controller must be configured to manage more than one door. In the left menu, go to Controller and select the controller. In the Interlock Group 1 section, configure the interlock settings based on your controller model. For example, if using a 4-door controller, you can set any combination of 2 or 3 doors within Group 1 by selecting Yes for the desired doors. Once configured, click Save. Next, in the left menu, go to Setup Download, right-click on the controller, and select Start Smart Download. Once completed, go to the top right menu, click Monitor, and select List Monitoring. Click on the green square under the controller title to begin monitoring. Now, if we force open door 1 and attempt to open doors 2, 3, or 4, they will remain locked until the force state on door 1 is cancelled and the door is closed. Once door 1 closes, door 2 can open. Similarly, while door 2 is open, door 3 cannot open. When door 2 closes, door 3 can open, and so on through door 4. To stop monitoring, click the red square under Controller and then click OK.